Hello everyone. I'm excited to share this new feature called Hail Finder. It's designed to find hail by a certain size and larger, a date range, and for a selected area. It replaces the finder on the browser, right over here on the left-hand side panel. That's no longer working. So the new Hail Finder is this red button on the toolbar. The setting button here gives you the ability to set some criteria. You can select what size you would like to find. I'm going to select 1 inch and larger. And you can also change the date range. I'll select 24 months and then turn off the settings. Now I'm ready to tap the Finder tool, which is this one. You'll see some instructions at the bottom of the screen. I've already positioned my map so I don't have to do that. So I'll continue with selecting my area. I'll use my mouse to drag over this area. Once I lift my finger, the system uses that area as the criteria and finds the dates. You can individually click on each of the dates. So that's the date of April 27th, 2026, and the next, March 25th, 2025. Click Combine to take all the dates listed and combine them to one map, which is what you're seeing now. To understand the size, just hover your mouse over each of the colors of the hail swath. That's what this is. Then look at the top of the screen. So this is 1.5 inch hail. There's 1 inch, and this is 1/2 inch, and so forth. By the way, you can start over with a new selection or click the Hail Finder button again to end it. I still see the results of my combine, so I'll click the Refresh button right here to remove that. The date that I'm looking at now is that last date I clicked on. So there you have it. That's how to use Hail Finder for a given date range and size. Take care, guys and gals, and call us if you need any help.